Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. They sound similar, but are they the same? If you've ever felt confused, you're not alone. In the next 4 minutes, you'll finally understand the difference. Simply and clearly, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the big idea. It's about creating machines that can think, learn, and act like humans. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. But here's the key: AI is the umbrella. Everything else fits inside it. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of being programmed step by step, machines learn from data. Think of it like teaching a child using examples. The more data you feed, the smarter the system becomes. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level. It uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks can process massive amounts of data and recognize complex patterns, like identifying faces, voices, or even generating realistic images. Data science is slightly different. It's not just about building intelligent systems, it's about extracting meaning from data. Data scientists collect, clean, analyze, and interpret data to make decisions. AI and ML are tools. Data science is the process. Let's make this super simple with an analogy. AI is the entire kitchen, machine learning is the cooking process. Deep learning is a master chef using advanced techniques. Data science is choosing ingredients and understanding flavors. Different roles, same goal, creating something amazing. So next time you hear these terms, you'll know exactly what they mean. AI is the big vision. Machine learning is how systems learn. Deep learning is the advanced brain-like approach. And data science is the art of making sense of data.